Today, I'll be showing you how to use a manual breast pump correctly and comfortably. This is what our manual breast pump looks like. It has a few main parts, a soft silicone flange that gently fits against your breast, and the rest is made from safe, food-grade plastic. One of the biggest advantages of this pump is that it's simple, safe, and easy to clean. Plus, you can use it anywhere without worrying about power or noise, perfect for busy moms. Now, let's move on to the practical part. Before you start, make sure the pump is clean and assembled properly. Then position the silicone flange so it fully covers your nipple and forms a gentle seal on your breast. Begin by slowly pressing the handle to create a light vacuum. You should feel gentle suction, never pain. This natural rhythm helps your milk flow comfortably. As the milk starts collecting in the bottle, continue at a relaxed pace. Most moms need about 10 to 20 minutes to express the amount they want. Remember, don't rush. Take your time and stay calm. Comfort is key to a good milk flow. When you're done, carefully close the milk